Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a dynamic gallery inside of Messenger with the Google Sheets integration. It's really easy to do, but you just need to know the few steps to take in order to provide a fully functional Google Sheets gallery basically. So if a user is trying to search for something, you can go into Google Sheets, grab all the information and then display it in a nice looking gallery of cards inside of your Messenger channel. So the way to do this is first by going to your custom field tabs under contents and be sure that you will have a JSON custom field created. You can just go to new user field, create your JSON variable and then give it a name. My name is products. So this is my JSON variable. Then once we go inside the flow, the first thing we are going to do is we are going to search with a Google Sheets integration. So let's go to integrations, go to Google Sheets, and the action will be get multiple rows. So we want to get as much rows as possible back. From here, we're going to select a Google Sheet. And by the way, this is my spreadsheet. Didn't rename it, just created it and tested it. But as you can see, I currently have two products, right? I have a pizza margherita and a pasta carbonara with a short product description, product pricing, and a product image. So these are the data that I can display inside of a card, a gallery card. So once I've done so let me select this, select the worksheet. And then if you want to filter, you can do so as well. So if you want to provide certain filters like a user's query, right, for certain car parts, you can do so as well. And I want to save the match rows. So the last 30 rows, that's the max rows. Let's see how many rows we can save. Max of 100 rows. So that's pretty much insane. But let's leave it at just save the match rows to 30 and then select the custom field. As you can see, only a JSON custom field will show up because these data, as you can see here, will be saved in an array and this will be saved in a JSON format. So we are going to select products. And now that we see, if we take a look at preview match rows, you will see that we get our product name, our pasta carbonara, pizza margherita, product description, product pricing, product images perfectly, right? So the next step is, as soon as we save this, we want to display this to the user. And the way to do this, and it works really easily, we're just going to send a message and we're going to select the for each step, right? So if we select the for each step, we're going to choose a JSON variable, that's this one. And now we can set up our gallery card right inside of here. So if we go with item, so for each item that we want to display, we want to grab the image, the product image. We're going to save this. For the title, I want the product name and maybe also the product pricing, right? So we can do for each item, we are going to grab the product name and then let's do a space and a $sign, or maybe not even a $sign because it's being fetched from the Google Sheets. But let's see if it's, because this is formatted. So this is only formatted as 12. So let's do a $sign and then select the for each item. And then we want to select the pricing because we also want to show the pricing. Then for the subtitle, let's go with the description. So for each item, we want to have the product description. There we go. And then let's save this. And this is pretty much it, guys. So this should provide a dynamic gallery inside of your Facebook Messenger. So let's take a look if we can preview this. Let's preview, let's send in Messenger. There we go. And there we go. We get our image, we get our product name, product pricing, and a product description. And if we go to the next gallery card, you will see that we get the next item on the cart, because that was a pasta carbonara with a $10 pricing, and the product description, and the product description will be so good. And this is the product image URL. So this is the way how you can create dynamic gallery cards from your Google Sheets data. If you have any questions, just let me know and I will try to answer them inside the comment section soon as I can. And for now, let's have some fun, try it out yourself and build fantastic looking chatbots. Take care and we'll talk soon.